Allow your eyes to comfortably close. As you do so, come down into your body's weight and volume and the movements your body makes as you breathe. Breathe out down the full length of your body, allowing your body to soften and release what it's brought with it here and no longer needs to carry. Let it flow out and away. And in your own time, notice the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath it. Give more of your weight to its support. Notice the surface is steady. Notice the steadiness is there for you now. And sit back onto the steadiness. Allow the whole of you to sit back on the steadiness. As you do so, breathe out the last few hours without having to go over anything again. Just the intention is enough. Let them flow out and away. Breathe out the last few days. Let them flow out and away. Breathe out the last few weeks. Let them flow out and away. Breathe out the last few months. Let it all flow out of you and away. and say the affirmations. I let go of everything I no longer need to hold on to. I let go of everything that isn't mine to carry. In your own time and when you are ready, gently come back to the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving. Notice the air is cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. Notice the movements your body makes as you breathe. And the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath you. Notice the steadiness still there. And slowly breathe the steadiness of ground up into you once again. Let it steady you. Give yourself an appreciation, no matter how small. Allow the appreciation to nourish you. When you are ready, notice you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. Notice you're here in this moment. And in your own way, your own time, you can draw this meditation to a close.